Oh, there it is. The top of Mount Storm King. Look at how beautiful the area is. Hey, it's the beginning of a new trip. Right now is Friday night. We are going to Seattle to for a wedding, for my nephew wedding. We will be there for over a week. We come back on Monday of the week after, and we will spend half the trip at the two national park in Washington. Alright, so this trip started out not pretty good. I just got like what 3 hours before the flight. I got a message saying that my flight is delayed for 2 hours. So if it was delayed, then we will miss our connection flight. So I went into the website and I changed my flight to flow from, instead of going to Chicago, we're gonna go to Denver for the stop. And we just got in, changed the flight, and then I got a message saying that I checked all the flight and they canceled the flight to Chicago. Luckily, we didn't wait for that flight. So hopefully, no more hiccup. We're gonna go to Seattle, get there around 1 a.m. This is Hurricane Ridge. This is the big parking lot where you can start your hike, the Hurricane Ridge hike. We got here right now is around 9 a.m. We got into Seattle at around 1. Got our luggage, and then we had to wait until 5 a.m. to pick up the car. And then this morning we met up with Phương Anh, and then we drove here. We went to pick up some grocery for the town that we stay at the national parks. And now we got here. This is Hurricane Ridge. This is the viewpoint. So you can see, look at this beautiful pictures of all the ridge. And right now we're gonna go on the Hurricane Ridge hike. It's 3.4 miles. I don't know. It's all paved, so we should be able to do it. I think we're gonna stop here and we're gonna go back and do the Mount Storm King. Conserve energy to do the Mount Storm King hike. First we gotta go back to check on Mia. After the Hurricane Ridge, we went to eat at the Vietnamese restaurant. It's called New Saigon. It was pretty good for a small town. then we went to hike at Mount Storm King. The parking lot was crazy packed. We had to I think there's a lot of activities you can do there. There's a lodge, and then there's a lake. So a lot of people were doing water sport. So also a lot of people hiking. So there's a lot of people there. We have a hard time finding a parking spot. So we had to park like on the street and then walk all the way back. So it took us longer time than I expected. And then so we started hiking at around 2 o'clock. This is the start of the Mount Storm King Trail. The rangers visitor information. I think we're gonna go to hit Marymeer Fall first, and then continue on to Mount Storm King. Alright, let's do it. Alright, we just started the trail. We're gonna try to make it as fast as we can. No slacking, mommy. Come on, let's do it.
Go. Don't worry about me.
Oh yeah. The online say it's gonna take 4 to 6 hours. You're gonna try to make it 3, right?
Huckleberries.
You're gonna try to make it 3.
Don't eat, because I don't know if it's safe or not. The girl, the lady said it's huckleberry. Isn't it smelly? Does it? Want to try?
No. I want to enjoy my trip. Man, look at how large all the trees are.
Want it?
It's crazy. This is the start of the split from the Marymeer Fall to Mount Storm King. Let's go! And the climb start.
Oh, it works.
All right. Oh, it's a tough climb. Very steep.
Yeah.
It's like this. And it's like this. And it keeps zigzagging. Lots of switchback. Oh, loosen up. Oh, heck no. So after like the big part of the zigzags and switchback, it's now like a nice incline, much less than before, but still a little incline. So much more manageable. I think we are about 1 mile in, so we're halfway up. So the total of the hike will be 4 miles, 2 miles in, 2 miles out, 2,100 feet of elevation. So this is the sign that says the end of maintenance trail. So that means this is the start of the rope section. I think a lot of people go back on this rope section because it's kind of slippery. But we're gonna try it, see how it goes. Hopefully, we're gonna make it to the top.
Thank you.
Good job, good job. Almost there. Good job. Good job. Okay, I just got done with the 3-rope section. It's not bad, but it's kind of dangerous. So Mai is still doing it. Phương Anh is on behind her.
I'm gone.
This is on the GoPro, but you can see this is the last section of the rope. I think this is the easiest one. Like the first one was hard because of the rock. This one is just kind of I can see why the rope needed, because there's no way you can go up here with this.
Okay, there's another rope.
The hike was pretty tough. You basically just do straight climbing from the start, and then you do the rope sections, and then there's like a little rock that you got to scramble on top of it, and you got to see a very, very beautiful view. Oh, there it is. The top of Mount Storm King. Look at how beautiful the area is. The way down was hard too, because of the rope you can't see, so it's kind of slippery. Lots of rock, lots of sands. So it was a challenge to go down. The go up was hard because you're going up, but the go down wasn't easy because of the, going down with my toe was hurting at the end. My calf was hurting. My knee was in pain. So at the end of the hike, I was hurting. We got done in about almost 4 hours, like 3 hours and 45 minutes. Then we went to check in our Airbnb at Forks. It was about 45-minute drive. Then last night we also went to Rialto Beach for sunset. The parking lot was also very crowded. I think it's the weekend, and it's a very beautiful weekend weather as far as weather, so a lot of people are here in the Olympic National Park. This is the start of the Ruby Beach. Yeah.
Okay.
See, that's what I want. I want the mountain, not the mountain. Some activities to do at Ruby Beach. Just having fun right now. And now I'm at Ruby Beach. We're gonna stay here, eat lunch, and hang out a little bit, and then we're gonna drive back to Tacoma, and then go to Mount Rainier. I don't know what you mean.
I left you, honey.
No, you don't. How was it, mommy?
It's fine.
That's it? Fine?
Huh?
At least it's better than good, right?
Better than good, yeah.
Challenge number 1. Climb over the logs.
And I had challenge has the
This is
Storm
like-
King.
It's like
Oh,
Mount
that
Storm
Storm
King.
King mountain is so crazy.
Alright. We spent we ate lunch, walk around a little bit, take a bunch of pictures. And now it's time to go to the Tree of Life and then go back to Seattle. This beach I like this beach more than Rialto. I like the seascape. There's a lot of seascape here. The beach is pretty clean. A lot of places to take pictures. Rialto was it's very clear. So maybe when you walk to the hole in the wall in the hole or something, and maybe but we didn't walk there yesterday.
Don't move.
We are taking pictures at Tree of Life. It's very simple. You park, you go down the stairs, broken stairs, and
Broken stairs
you
are fun.
at the Tree of Life.
The broken stairs are fun, okay?
That's the challenge.
Man, this thing
This is the Tree of Life challenge.
it's not really a challenge. Okay, now your phone.
No challenge for Kaiden.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow, what? I need survival. Let's go.
No challenge for mommy. See, it's a challenge for me, for Ngana. Oh, no challenge.